Class C Chapter 3 MS Windows 7. Today we're gonna learn how to read this chapter. Windows 7, an operating system. Windows is an operating system. A computer cannot work without an operating system. Now tell me, when we use the word window, what do you recall the mind? What do you recall in mind? Yes, you are right. It is a room window through which we can see outside and have different views. Likewise, in the case of computers, Windows is a frame that enables the users to have the different views of information on the screen. Nowadays, Windows 7 is a popular operating system. The computer takes some time to load the operating system. This process is called booting. Windows Desktop. When we switch on the computer, Windows starts automatically. When we switch on the computer, Windows starts automatically. The very first screen that we see on the monitor is called desktop. The desktop has two main components. Number one, taskbar. Number two, icons. Taskbar. It is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. The three main sections of a taskbar are: number one, start button; number two, task button; number three, system tray. Start button. To open the start menu, bring the mouse pointer to the start button. Now click on it by pressing the left mouse button. Start menu appears before us, from where we can do the following tasks. Number one, open a software. Number two, search programs and files. Number three, access the control panel. Number four, change the settings of the computer. Taskbar buttons. When we open a file or a program in Windows, it is shown like a button on the taskbar. This is called task button. Using the same task button, we can open multiple windows on the desktop. For example, if you have opened two or more files on the MS Excel, then it will be shown by only one taskbar button. Now, when we bring the mouse pointer over the taskbar button, preview of all the open windows of MS Excel can be seen in small windows at the same time. System tray. On the taskbar, the tray present on the extreme right corner is called the system tray. Most often it is called the notification area. It gives us notification on important updates and status of the installed antivirus, printer, etc. It also gives notification about the connectivity status of our system in a network. One of the important components of the system tray is the show desktop button. When you bring the mouse pointer on this button, all the open windows get minimized and we have a clear view of the desktop. Icons. The label picture that we see on the desktop are called icons. To open a program or a document, we need to select and double click on its icon by using the left mouse button. Opening the icon. After selecting the icon using single click of mouse, press the enter key. The application window will open. Or to open the application window, double click on the icon by pressing the left mouse button. Moving the icon. Follow the given step to move an icon from one place to another. Number one, bring the mouse pointer on the icon that you want to move. Number two, press and hold down the left mouse button while you move to a new location of the icon. This is called dragging. Number three, after moving to new location, release the left mouse button. Arranging the desktop icons. To give a better look, we arrange the icon on the desktop. Follow the given steps. Number one, right click on the blank area of the desktop. Number two, a menu displayed with various options. Number 3, select the view options. Number 4, select the auto arrange icon option from the submenu. Working with files and folders. File. Any type of work that we do on a computer is stored in a file. Depending on the data, files are classified as under. Number 1, text file. It contains the data in the form of text only. Number 2, video file. It contains the data in the form of sound and video. Number 3, audio file. It contains the data in the form of sound only. Number 4, program file. It contains the instruction to run the program. To open a file, we need to double click on its icon. Alternatively, right click on the icon and select the open option from the menu. Folders. The files are kept in a container or a bag in a computer. Such containers or bags are called the folders. A folder may also contain other folders called the subfolders. The folders are made to organize our work by keeping the similar files in them. They enable us to access the required files quickly. To open a folder, we need to double click on its icon. Alternatively, right click on the icon and select the open option from the menu. How to turn off a computer. Follow the given step to turn off the computer. Number 1, click on the start button. Click on the shutdown option. So this was your lesson today. Learn to read this lesson, okay? Chapter 3. Okay, thank you.